At the present moment, Flash has spread to near ubiquity in computers, with better than 98% penetration according to Adobe statistics. Its roots lay with graphical animation, but its success was cemented by providing an easy streaming video mechanism to a web. Streaming video has been growing over 100% a year for the past 2 years. Flash Player 10.1, released in June 2010, for now has reached almost 74% of all personal computers. The web, with its video, games and animation, is too vital a platform for business, communication and society to be in the hands of any single vendor. But it will be certainly a while, as there is a huge amount of content that uses Flash.